Imagine traveling thousands of miles without a map or GPS. Yet migratory birds do it every year with astonishing precision. Scientists have discovered that birds possess a built-in magnetic compass, allowing them to sense Earth's magnetic field. At night, many species navigate by reading star patterns, using the North Star as a constant guide. During the day, they recognize familiar landmarks like rivers, mountains, and coastlines. These navigation skills are so refined that some birds return to the exact same tree year after year, crossing continents with unerring accuracy.